Hey guys, welcome back to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you all that how to do coding. So for beginners, and I have made 4 videos of programming. If you want, you can see in my previous videos. So in today's video I'm going to be doing the 5th program. So actually what happened is, in the 4th program, number 4, there was an error, so I couldn't show you all, but well, let's skip it on. I tried all the things but it didn't work out, but I'll show you today the 5th program. Okay, so for the 5th program, let's open BlueJ app, and before that let's see what's the question. Okay, now the BlueJ is open. Now let's open the notepad. So what's the question? What's the question of this? So the question says that, what's the question number? The question number is program number 5. So what's the question? It says to write a program to use the if statement to execute a statement block conditionally. So write a program to use if statement, to use the if statement. So if statement is like the syntax which you have to use wherever it's necessary in the coding. So today we're going to see how to use that in a coding. So it says write a program to use the if statement to execute a statement block conditionally. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Now let's make a new class. Click on new class, and let's keep the name as anything, but I'm going to do as my division. You can also keep as my division or anything else. My division, no space should be there. Actually I'm putting it in small. My division. Done. Actually there was a problem. I don't know what's the problem. Every time happens. Oh, it's not showing because I already have that. Because I already try everything and show you guys. So let me put something else. Let's go. Okay, now it's created. Open it and click on, let's change the name as my division. Okay, now let's get into it. Now let's delete all this thing till public class. So public class, okay, so public class, then open bracket, one second guys. Okay, so public class, then the name, then comes open bracket, open curly bracket, sorry, then void main string args and close the bracket, then open bracket again, then enter int marks is equal to 90, then enter, then write if, then you'll get that purple color highlighting thing, then open bracket again, space open bracket, then write marks greater sign, space greater sign, sorry, then is equal to, then space 60, close the bracket, then click enter. Now again open bracket, open curly bracket, press enter, then write system dot out print line, then in the bracket you have got the first division. You have to write you have got the first division like that, then close the bracket, then enter again, then close the curly bracket. Now press enter again, then write over here system.out.println, then open bracket, open the bracket, then write your program has ended now. Your program has ended now. Now your coding is finished. So there's a mistake over here. Cancel this and let's see if there is one more mistake. Okay, it is showing that I have already done, so I'll keep it like this. Let's see if that works. Yes. Now save, control S, now go back, now right click, void main string and click OK, and as you can see here we have it. We have that you have got the first division, your program has ended now. So yeah, we did it. So yeah, that's all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye. Peace out.